Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this issue. I have a printer Epson, but this could work on all types of Epson with L series. So now I'm sitting on a problem with the Epson L3150. So that simply means the L series, you can use the same trick. So what you're gonna do, use your cable, connect to your PC, or if the printer is connected via Wi-Fi, is fine. So now we're gonna do this. What we're gonna do is to go here if you're using Windows and say Control Panel. But this procedure, takes a lot of ink, so make sure you have enough ink in the tanks. If possible, make them full. So now we're gonna start. So already the machine is what is installed. That's what I would say. So you click on the machine if it's installed. Sometimes Windows installs it's off by itself. So plug in the machine. After plugging it in, you can look for drivers online, or you can just switch it off and switch it on the computer and the machine. Sometimes it downloads the drivers by itself. So once you find it like this, also it shows this. So what you're gonna do, we right click here and we say printing preferences, printer preferences. Okay, that. So once you get into that, I'm sorry, this is not the best option to take the first option, which is gonna say printing preferences. Once you're there, you're gonna see maintenance tab. You click on it, then you start with the nozzle check. You can take the nozzle, but I would always recommend print head cleaning. Right, you're gonna say that head cleaning. It says start. Okay, now it's starting to clean the head. You got to be a little bit patient, because the process takes some time. I'm not going to pause the video so that you see all things I do. Okay, once it's done, it's a print nozzle pattern. You can print this. I won't do that. I don't want to waste my time on ink. Or you say finish. Okay, then you can go to power cleaning, right? Click on that, but your ink is gonna be chowed. It's a print head cleaning may not improve the print quality in the following situations. Consider performing power cleaning if you printed or performed head cleaning when the ink levels were too low to be seen in the ink tank windows. Okay, you performed the nozzle check and the head cleaning several times, and they waited for at least 12 hours without printing, but printing quality still did not improve. So you can do this only when, but me, I recommend this, do this. Okay, take this, say okay. Cannot use this feature because I did it before. Let me try again and see if I can bypass that. When say next, an interval of 1 hour, there is enough ink. I'll take that. Okay, so it won't give me that chance to do, but it's gonna give you, because me, I did it maybe 2 hours ago, so just what I wanted to do a video. So okay, you got to do that. You have to do also print head alignment. You say next, say print. Okay, we're doing the alignment. Say next. Okay, if your print or your copy does not improve, you have to do head cleaning again, nozzle checkup, head cleaning, nozzle checkup, up until it gets better. But this process works. So it worked for me because I've been working on a couple of printers with the same issue. So okay, I'm busy printing here. All colors came out, guys, so fine, and I'm happy with the results I'm getting here. So I'm going to do head cleaning again once, and also yeah, okay, I'm gonna do head cleaning once again, just to, yeah, that's it. So let me do head cleaning once, then I do nozzle what check. Start. Yeah, the more you clean the heads, the more you're gonna get the better quality. Takes a while, but it will work. Do it 2-3 times, 4 times, even 5 times, but it will work. it's gonna finish very early from now. To finish very quick. You can see now it's finishing. It might choose the black ink if it does this thing, especially the ink, the power hour cleaning. Okay, so then it's gonna ask you to print nozzle. Okay, I did that. Then print. So clean. Wow, then it's 100% fine. The nozzle is gonna come with you. It's gonna come with pages. It's gonna come with pages. It will come with pages on the what they call page. They call it page what? Page counter. On that, that's you're gonna get that. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. But I just did another printout, another cleaning, but I think based on my results, everything is fine. So do what I've showed you. I don't want to waste a lot of your time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. This works on all Epson L. Even when you have a Canon, some Canons, they have this software which does this. Thanks guys, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.